Hello friend, I am Doggy and today I will explain magnification in a super easy way. So magnification means how much bigger an image look compared to the real object. Now let's discuss the magnification formula. Magnification is equal to image size divided by actual size. Make sure both sizes are in the same units, like in millimeter or micrometer. Now let's explore some examples. A cell image is 30 mm wide. The actual size of the cell is 0.01 mm. What is the magnification? Step 1. Use the formula magnification is equal to image size divided by actual size. Step 2. Put the values. Magnification is equal to 30 mm divided by 0.01 mm. Step 3. Solve. The answer is 3000. The image is magnified 3000 times. Now let's explore example number 2. In this example, you will have to find the image size. A cell actual size is 0.05 mm and magnification is 4000 times. What is the image size? Use the formula. Then step 2, put the values. Step 3, calculate. The answer is 20 mm. Now let's revise it. Always remember, dear student, magnification is equal to image divided by actual. If you want to calculate the image, then you will have to put the formula like actual into magnification. And if you want to calculate actual, the formula will be image divided by magnification. Always use the same units, follow the steps, and show working in exam. Magnification is easy with Doggy. See you next time.